All right, let's go. Part 2. Right, so if the volume's too loud, just put the volume down on your phone. Yeah, and then you should be good. You should be good. But yeah, trying to catch a trade. We had a red folder news event already, which was very fucking annoying. Trump decides to do some shit as usual. Let's have a look. I almost lost on that trade because I was taking a sell there, and Trump did his absolutely best news event like he always does. Don't want to be in this too long because I've got a sell limit on at the moment. Let's have a look. Right, so red folder news events at 1:15 p.m. ADP. Okay, I'll be probably getting off around that time, so I'm okay till 1:15 p.m. And then Forex Factory. Let's have a look at that. Accra, whatever your name is, we're not doing this. We're not doing signals, so you're blocked. So yeah, there was a red folder news event 47 minutes ago, which was so annoying. So annoying. So the trade that I actually wanted, if this retraced deeper above the 50% area, would have triggered me into this trade, but it's not done that, and price is actually moving up from here, so I don't know whether I should just be coming out of this trade. Let's cancel the order. Fuck it, let's go. It's a bit early into the session as well. How do you get Trump out of office, bro? Everyone just wants Trump out. Trump just fucking almost fucked me up, but luckily I made my trade balance out. But yeah, what's your stance on gold for today's ADP non-farm employment change? Bullish or bearish? I don't know. I really don't know. I don't look too much or too deep into the fundamental side of things unless it just shows if it's a red folder or what kind of ever orange folder, red folder news event it is. But gold has been, it has been changing character to the upside, so I don't know. I don't really trade gold much, so I don't look at gold much. I'm looking more at NQ at the moment. I was trying to get a sell in, but don't know if it will work out. So my sell I wanted to try and get in was from roughly around this area here. But now, after how the news event, where I'm not sure if I really should be getting in this area, but we'll have a look. We've still got plenty of time yet. Yeah, Hexen, Jaden, I'm not quite sure, you know. I'm really not sure. Oh my gosh, yes, bro. How you doing, man? You on, yeah? You been trading or? This is where I was looking for my sell in this area here. But now, after how we've had this type of reaction, after the red folder news event, random red folder, as it's been happening every single fucking day, I don't actually think I want to right now. So I'm not gonna. Oh my gosh, bro made 4K. Yo, you made 4K, yeah? Well done, well done. Bro, I am making bread. Well done, brother, well done. You carry on doing that. That's absolutely brilliant. Have you gotten to the funded stage yet, or are you on the challenge phase still? Because I believe you were FTMO, right? God damn, we got 25 people joined us. We got 145 eyes on us. Oh my god. If you ain't hit the follow button, guys, make sure you hit the follow button. Mohsin, thank you very much for following, bro. Thank you very much for following. Greg Rod 1. Thank you very much. Yeah, man. Price action has not been... Thank you very much. Sela Bobila. Thank you very much for following. Yeah, man. So I was looking for a sell here, but I don't know what it's doing right now. Because if it breaks all past this area, then my trade probably would have worked out. But if it doesn't, then yeah, it is what it is. I'm not going to I'm not going to chase it now. I've took it out. I'm not going to chase it. One. Drawings to sync globally. So is this going to sync with everything else? No, that's not syncing with everything else on. Maybe I'm not on the right one. Yeah, needs to be this one. Then that will sync across on everything. Oh shit, monitors are turning off. No, we don't want the monitors to turn off. Bro, I missed. Oh, but let's go, Sila Babila. Bro, thank you very much for following Royal Battle. Bro, missed on a trade. Bro, gold has been crazy bullish. Yeah, bro. We just had a look at gold a short while ago. Bro, please trade gold. I do trade it, but I trade it in my own time when I'm not live. Bro, get on gold is much better. Yes, gold has been moving good. We did look at gold. But the only thing is I don't like this this gapish price action. I don't like it when candles are moving like this. But this is where the move was. That's what was absolutely brilliant. But I trade my strategies to do with market structure, right? And this is not been following market structure exactly the way I like. It's been doing more of support and resistance stuff, and I'm not a support and resistance trader. And look at that. I'm not a big fan of these type of wicks. And then it looked like it was completely going bearish. So the market's obviously being manipulated. It looked like it was going bearish, and then all of a sudden price just pumped. So, and I never got no confluences in that area. So them type of trades for me would be gamble trades. So I stay away from them. Trump said Iran agreed to make a deal. So Trump is lying, the bastard. He just keeps fucking us up. PK, what strategy do you use? I use higher time frame analysis. Trump said Iran agreed to. I do a higher time frame analysis, and then I work myself down, mark out the points of interest, and then drop down to the lower time frames and take my entry. It's because of Trump BS. Everyone made quick money. Yeah. That's right. And market structure is just not moving how I want it to. Because this move here right now should have sold off by here already. But it's chopping around and still pumping up. So, and the 5 minutes not clear. The 2 minutes is absolutely shit. And the 30 minutes, we're just in a range moving sideways. So I'm still not getting a good trade at the moment. Yes, everybody, there's 40 of us. Oh my god, guys, everybody just hit the like, hit the share. Let's share this live and let's try and get as many people as we can, because last time we had about 400 people on here. Let's try to push it up to 400. Sila Babila, where are you from, Sila Babila? And what current are you trading? A currency pair, or are you a futures trader, or you're on a CFD platform at the moment? Wow, numbers are just going up, dropping to 23, going up 40, dropping to 23, going up 40, dropping to 23. How is that even happening? Guys, just share the live. That'd be absolutely amazing. Let's go, guys. And let everybody just tell me in the comment section who's trading what. Is anyone trading gold? Is anyone trading futures? Is anyone trading CFD prop firms? Are you doing forex pairs, or are you doing stocks and shares, indices, commodities? What are you actually trading, guys? Frasbit gold only. Frasbit's gold because he's making his money on the gold today. Yonko, your thoughts on gold? Bro, I've just mentioned that I'm not really trading gold because it's not following my market structure the way I like the market to go. So for that reason, I'm not following gold at the moment, because it's just chopping around for me. It's not the kind of strategy and market structure I like to trade. Crypto Talks. I do market analysis on crypto, writing 5 books at the moment. Crypto Talks. What type of books are you writing? Give us an insight on your books. This guy just manipulated the markets, you know. Look at this. What the fuck? Clearly, this was it. This is where they fucked shit up because they knew, okay, the character's been changed now. Broke structure to the downside completely. And this is where he put the news events in. Pushed it up. Pushed the market up. I don't know if they're trying to get it to a certain level before they're going to dump it. I don't know. But price went up. Retraced back into a nice 61.8 below 61.8 area, which was very nice, into this bloody fair value gap. Price pushed up, breaking structure to the, well, it didn't really break structure to the upside, but if that candle wick wasn't there, it would have. But it broke structure from the candles, not the wicks. Price came back down into the same area again, the 61.8, and pushed up again. It's not broken structure to the upside yet, so I'm just waiting to see what price is doing right now. Yonko, yes, that's NQ, my brother. It is NQ. Crypto TikToks. Well, it's 5 textbook volumes, 1 FA. What do you mean by FA? 2 OCTA, 3 macros, okay, and 4 psychology, 5 technical analysis. So 1 FA must be the fundamentals, I believe. Yeah, fundamental analysis, on-chain analysis. Wow, very nice, very nice. Are they going to be ebooks or are they going to be actual hardcovers? Me, NERD, both ebook and soft covers. Okay, soft covers and ebooks. Okay, that'll be great. Are you going to put it on Amazon, yeah? Okay, still not breaking structure to the upside. Price has been tapping this area and rejecting. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens in this zone here. Trump's just pissed everyone off. Yes, but on our analysis website too, sir. Oh, okay, that'd be very, very good. What does your analysis website do? We had someone called YMC on the other day. I need him to come back on because he said I marked out my fair value gap wrong, which I didn't because I went back and checked it fucking 10 times and it was absolutely accurate. So I would like him to come back and try and explain to me what was wrong. So if YMC is about at the moment, please join us and tell us. All right, let's see if this area gets mitigated. Let's see if this whole area gets mitigated and the candles close round about here. Fucking still a danger zone. All because of this imbalance that's been created in the market. So fucking annoying. Thanks for asking. We build tools, etc. for every form of analysis of the crypto markets. Same SS books. Okay. Drop me a follow. Drop me a follow and I'll go onto your page and have a look later on today. Yo, Yaz, you managed to catch anything? That red folder news event randomly just fucked people up. This one. But a lot of people, then again on gold and stuff like that, made a lot of money, like Frazbits that we got down here. 31 people. Come on, guys. Share the live. Share the live. Let's get it out to as many people as we can. Because the more people we can share this live with, the more we can grow our community and get people together. We can grow a bigger trading community for people that actually give a fuck about trading and that actually care about others. Crypto TikToks. Thank you very much. Because I remember when I first started trading, it was so hard. It's hard to speak to people. It was hard to find people that you can trust and who can teach you well. And it was just so many people gatekeeping, and the clever people that I thought were the clever people, they was at the top and they wouldn't give out no information to me. And I had to like search everywhere for all types of information, put together all the bloody different styles of trading to find something that works for me. And I could have done it. Thank you very much for following. Thank you. Yeah, bro, fucked me up too. I was in longs but protected my trade, stop loss in profit, and look now, lol. Oh, okay. So did you break even on your trade, brother? Yeah, that's exactly why we are building our platform website. Oh, that'd be good. That'd be good to stay in touch. Then we might be able to share some advice, share some thoughts, and some people. I don't know. I don't know. Let's go, man. Let's go. We've got 34 people watching us right now. Tools plus education plus networking equals power, right? Of course it does. Of course it does. John will do. It's just going to creep higher. Yeah, man. I know. John, I know. It's so horrible, isn't it, Johnny? It's just fucking annoying. This price action is so fucking shit. Plus 285, bro. Need so all good. Had a loss New York yesterday to today. Needed a green trade. Also, you're up $285 today. Currently, I'm not on a sell or a buy. I was looking for sells, but Trump manipulated the market and fucked me up. My sell would have been here. So I was waiting for a retracement and for price to shoot down. But after I seen what's happening here, I had to close out my trade because it would have stopped me out and I would have been in a loss. So I stopped out early and then just caught some of this move going down. But then there was a retracement and price pushed up, but I was out of my trade by then. Sila Babila, that dip on gold is wild. Let's have a look. My boy, fuck the trading markets. Go mess with coin margin perps on Bitcoin. Possibly one day. Possibly. Yeah, this price is fucking not my type of price action. It's not my type of price action at all. Yeah, bro, I fucked up yesterday and broke my own rule like a dickhead, so I'm on 500. It happens, brother. It happens. It happens. They're the times that you need to just record what's going on. What's going on mentally inside your brain. What's going on with your trigger finger and the fucking mouse. Or the mouse on your laptop. That's what matters at that time. It's a critical time, that is. As soon as you fucking take some sort of loss, it fucks everything up. It's true, isn't it, Sila Babila? 2024 was good year. 7994% on 22 trades on BTC coin margin for me changed my life. Oh, well done, crypto TikToks. Razbit, yes, GG. Haha. Sila Babila, I need this. Got whoop on. You got a whooping on NQ yesterday. A few people got our ass whooping on NQ yesterday. It's just price action. It's just what it's doing. We don't know if we're in an area of reversal or are we going to keep creeping up. We were supposed to retrace down here. Not even retrace, just start pushing lower. And look what they did to the markets. And slowly it's just fucking creeping up again. Yes, yeah, bro. These alts are fucking me through. Is it all-time highs you're talking about? Are fucking me though. To be honest, 3 risk to reward is hard when constantly target all-time highs. Oh, okay. All the time. Yeah, all the time. Could have taken this as a scalp. Scalpers would have been in and out easy. It was a very good time for scalpers. How are you doing that like gold thing? I want that for my stream. Haha. No worries. Do it for your stream, brother. Missionary. Thank you very much for following. Oh, where you're hitting the like button and it's giving likes on my page. Sorry, on TikTok. I hate all-time high because price action is fucking shit, bro. All the time, all the time. It's like that. And plus, we got nothing to look left on. So, like, we can't even... what would you call it? You can't even compare price to the left of us to take action on whatever trades we want to execute on. Is fucking bullshit. Crypto TikToks, the likes button. Yeah, it's got 210 likes. Yeah, so that one, the likes button is it's all on Tickfinity, bro. You have to connect Tickfinity up to TikTok, and I'm on TikTok Studio on my PC, so I'm doing it all through the actual camera, not the phone. Use exactly how you connect that like thing on TikTok Studios. I love it. Thank you very much, brother. Thank you very much. Take some ideas and then maybe try something similar yourself. It is nice. It's a nice interface that I've created. Have a look at this. Look, when I go on from moving from the intro to going live, it goes like this. When I first start, it's wicked. So then I've got a pre-live as well. So when my pre-live is on, it's got a timer like that. So at that point, I don't have any of these goals or anything on the screen. So then we go back to this. Then it goes to this. So like it will be on this screen. And then, well, it'll be on this screen. I'll have to figure it out. I'm too old. Bro, I'm 40 and I'm figuring it out. I'm 40 and I'm just looking online everywhere doing it. Look, so you got this timer. And then you go on to this. Like that, it goes live. And then you just drop this in like that. And then, bam! You've started your life. So yeah, you can have a look. Just go on YouTube and you'll find loads of like... yeah, but I'm 91 now. Crypto Talks 91. Nah, you're chatting. NY gonna dump us red folder at 3 p.m. Possibly. But I ain't gonna be staying on at 3 p.m. and all that time. Because I'm getting kind of pissed off with price action. The past 2 days, it's been really annoying. Because I've passed my funded, all I want to do is get a payout. No, I'm capping. I'm 37. So, bro, look, I'm 40. If I can go out, research on YouTube and do it, so can you, man. Anybody can do it. ChatGPT solves all problems, bro. yeah, ChatGPT solves everything. It does actually help you out as well. If you put on there, look, god damn, why am I having problems with my YouTube and my following, and what do I need to do? I've done X, Y, Z and nothing's working, and then it'll just go boom and it'll start giving you options what you need to do. I'm bold nonetheless. Laugh my ass off. I'm bold nonetheless too. Shave it off. Thank you very much, Eboob. Thank you very much for following. Same, bro. Passed my funded and it was easy last week. Now it's fucking all-time highs. Fuck off. Bro, that's what happens all the time. You get funded and then the next few days price action's really fucking shit because you're proper looking there. You're looking for a fucking trade, waiting for one. Because now you know real money's involved, you see. So you're paying way more attention as well. Team Bold, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, so you're paying way much more attention to the charts. Trying to catch that perfect A+ entry. And a lot of trades you miss as well doing that. It's all a psychology thing. It's your brain. It's whatever's messing with your brains. Really shit, bro. Won't trade nothing else though. Yeah. I don't as well. I don't. It's good to have a look at other pairs, and it's good to have a look sometimes how the markets are moving. Sometimes like you can just go on oil or something and you can see a perfect move and you think, okay, now this is my time. This is where I can enter. And it's always good. So this is oil right now. That's oil right now. This is gold right now. Gold has been doing some right fucking madness. Let's have a look. Frasbit did tell me to get onto gold earlier, but I just didn't. Because I was like, price isn't really moving my way. But if I did listen to Frasbit, I would have caught this trade here. This trade here, right to this high here. So maybe that should have been one. Yeah, so it's good to look at other pairs as well. Don't get married to one pair all the time, but always have that one pair that you love, that you always can go back to. But keep your options open, guys. It's like I don't get married to my bias. Yes, but wait for the New York session. Yes, I will do, Fraz. But on the New York session, I'm going to be probably trading by myself there, because the New York session starts, I'm never usually on live. Only once or twice I have been, but live now, and then for an hour or two, and then we'll see how it goes. And then if it's going booming, yesterday I had to leave with 40 people online. That was absolutely fucking crazy, but I had some missions to do. I didn't want to leave the guys, but I had to leave them. Come on, everybody, whoever's following us, whoever's watching right now, come on, get involved in the chat. Tell us where you are in your trading journey. Where are you guys in your trading journey? Are you profitable, or are you on a losing streak, or do you know exactly what's going on in trading, but you can't just execute right because every time you get stopped out? Bro, I will send you the timetable for trading. Should I send it to you? Yeah, you can send it on here, bro. My favorite times that I trade are literally just like, I'll do 2 hours in the morning of London session. Sometimes if I can get in pre-London, I'll get in, and then that's me done for the rest of the day. I'm free. And then New York session, I'll only jump on it sometimes if I ain't caught anything throughout the whole day. I'll see how market's moving. But I'm never really working on a timetable. I work on where I see volume in the market and I see nice price action and where I can enter. So it's never always okay, I'm glued to the charts only for 2 hours in the morning or anything. Now I still keep looking at the charts every day, like throughout the whole day, and then try and get some nice sniper entries in. Crypto TikToks, I actually had a record yesterday, 128 concurrent viewers. Yeah, that's absolutely brilliant. That's brilliant. I had 140 the other day. I had 6,000 last week, brother. Imagine that. 6,000. Right now we've had 564 just viewing, and we had 120, but then after that, last week, TikTok stopped pushing my live out, and it was just getting stuck. It was like it was hitting a wall, and I was getting no more than 4 or 5 people watching. Yeah, so it went 6,000 concurrent all in one go. So it was at 6,000 came on within that 2-hour period I was live. So they came on, they dropped off, came on, they dropped off. But watching, when I looked at the screen to see how many people are watching, I had hundreds. I had literally about 400 people watching. Probably test push by TikTok. Yeah, probably, because after that everything dropped and I wasn't even getting 10 people viewing. Like then yesterday and today it slowly started to pick up again. So hopefully it just pushes up. Angel in my toe. Hi, how you doing, Angel in my toe? Right, let's go. Let's see if I can just move this a little bit like that. And then like that. I think that was a little bit better. I could do with the camera probably going up slightly a little bit. Let's have a look. Yeah, little bit better. Little bit better. No crypto market trading, sir. No, I'm on futures at the moment, so I'm not trading crypto. Boo-ha. Shall I tell you why? Because I'm on futures market. When I do go on when I try to go onto crypto on futures, it shows very choppy like this. You can't trade that. Not on futures. It probably won't even let me execute a fucking trade, really. It does actually say it can. Second. So that's the 45-minute time frame. But I'm not trading the higher time frames. I want to trade the low time frames. Have a look at the 5. Still very choppy. Ooh-ah. Crypto TikToks. She made 50k USD in one day from that short and now loves me. Haha. Well done, well done, well done, Crypto Talks. Come on, guys. What's happening? Who's trading? Who's trading right now, guys? Or is everyone just waiting for the New York session? Life of Esm. I see you on every day, but you're not really chatting. What's going on? Are you trading right now or are you waiting for a trade? Sila Babila, it's too scary to trade at the moment. Yep, sure is. Sila Babila, how long have you been trading? Exotiques, tempted to put on a short. Yes, I was too. I was very tempted, and I was tempted right here. Right here. And then Trump did this with the Red Folder News event. Pure random. Hey, I've taken my trade. Life of N, where did you take your trade? Sila Babila, only 4 months. Okay. So you're very new to trading. Are you in the learning phase at the moment, Sila Babila? He's talking constantly. What you talking about, lad? XD. Crypto TikToks, who are you talking about? I'm talking about a few other people that are not chatting. Exotic Reptiles, his complete land talks Iran and just said if USA attacks one more time they're going all out. Bro, the guy chatting shit, man. He's just been doing it for too long, and then people like us just get fucked up in these markets. It's just fucking absolutely shit. Frasbit, I sent it to your new video in your comment section. Oh, Frasbit, thank you so much. Thank you so much for the efforts as well, man. That's nice. Rico, I think it's gonna reach 30,800 today. Let's have a look how far off we are. Yeah, it possibly can, but we are at all-time fucking highs. It can happen. Someone said you didn't talk or didn't misunderstand that. Oh, sorry, Crypto Talks. No worries, no worries. Frasbit, bro. Crypto is scam. Frasbit, why? Crypto say why? Look, Frasbit, when I say something, it's a scam. I mean it. Exotic Reptiles, Iran literally messed up USA tanker last night. Oh no, that's what the short was. Okay. Bro, this is mad. Like, we should be a part of the fucking army team, innit? Like, we should know exactly what's happening, like what bombs are being thrown and where they're being thrown and who's being attacked at what point, so we can just like not follow technical analysis. Technical analysis will be like the thing of the past. We'll follow the war and the fight and what weapons being thrown where and which attacks being used. We'll be like Mortal Kombat. We'll be like this. We'll be like a controller like this and fucking doing the trading like that. Crypto Talks, because price is very manipulative with news. Oh yeah, definitely. You're right there, Frasby. Assume Sammy 44. I made today 1k profit on XAU USD. Yes, man. You're another one on the gold, yeah? That's absolutely brilliant. Let's go. Look, he's pumped. Sammy is pumped. Macroeconomic analysis primary for markets. Okay. I don't really trade macros, but there's about 4 or 5 people that join every day that proper hard on macro trading. Grats, Sila Babila. Exotic, fuck it, I'm in a short. You just couldn't help yourself, could you? You should have waited for some more confluence, maybe. I don't know. Price is very choppy right now. It's just price action is no good. Let's see, Exotic. Your trade might play out. If you get a big rejection from here, you need a massive rejection from here. Raspberry, that doesn't make it a scam. That just means liquidity is lower and open 24/7 feature, not a scam. Yeah, exotic reptiles, you would need a rejection right from this area here, because it has tested that area many times already, as you can see. But I don't know your strategy or what you're trading or how you're trading it, but you need a sell off right now, because if it breaks past that area, it's probably continue pushing for a while. Raspberry, they always find an excuse to make themselves feel good about crypto, but they know it's not good. Raspberry are fun. Opinions are fun. Yeah, it's true, man. In trading, everyone's got opinions and that, like, and it's good to like be able to listen to other people's opinions rather than argue the case, like, because if something works for someone, it doesn't mean it's not going to work for someone else, or it don't work for someone else. Or if something works for me, it might not work for you. Something works for you, it might not work for me. It all just depends on the type of trader you are and the type of strategy that you're following. 4x gold trading. Stop wasting time. Crypto Talk. Solana currently hosting 65% of agentic machine payments. Must be a scam, XD. Anybody else in the chat waiting for a trade right now? You just sitting and waiting, or you patiently waiting, or are you just gonna force a trade because of how shit the market looks? Oh mate, I can't believe I'm in a chop like this for 2 fucking days, bro. 2 days. 2 motherfucking days. Just live trading, patiently waiting. That's it. That's all we can do. We can just patiently wait. Crypto tick talks. Raspberry, I know, need doing far better in crypto than I ever did in trade. Trade for sir. Raspberry, if you bought shit before 2022, you are good with crypto. But if you broke, you pattern up. You know, I started trading crypto when I first started trading. When I first started trading. So this is like when I didn't know what the fuck trading was about. And all I knew is what leverage was. I didn't know what leverage was as in a term how they use it in trading. All I knew is if you size up with more money, you will make more money. So I was on demo accounts and I was flipping demo accounts like 500,000 demo accounts to like 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, then flipping that 1 million to 3 million, but just by trading ticks, just small ticks. And then when I learned what trading is, then I started losing loads of money, because I was just like, it wasn't realistic, was it? You're trading demo money that's hundreds of thousands and millions, but what you really need to be focusing on is trading fucking $1,000, $2,000. Exotic reptiles, this would have stopped you out. You said you went for a sell, bro. I don't know how big your stop loss is, but Jadugar, thank you very much for following, Jadugar. Yeah, so look at this, guys. My trade is actually worked out. As you can see, this is what I had marked out earlier. Let's just pull this across. There you go. You could have caught a small there. That would have been just off a scalp. Crypto paper gives false security because nothing real is on the line. Crypto Talks is real serious. He loves his Bitcoin. He loves his crypto. Crypto TikToks, bro. Market for gold is 35 trillion, but BTC is 1.3 trillion. Yeah, bro, even just give us a 0.1% of that trillion. We'll be happy with that. Yeah, I've just realized this. Trading with 1,000, 1 million free money is easy. Yes, player one, that's absolutely correct. So when you're doing demo money, I always tell everybody, be realistic. Don't oversize. Like, don't put on too much size on your demos, because when you come into the real markets, it's gonna absolutely fuck you up. And that's exactly what these prop firms do as well. They tell you 50k funded, 100k funded, and then people will tell you online, oh, I'm 6 figures funded, I'm £1 million funded in prop firms. Now shut the fuck up, you dickheads. It's like you're on a 50k fucking account, and your your drawdown is fucking $2,000, and it's a demo account. So your drawdown is $2,000 of simulated funds. That's what you're playing with. Anything after that, whatever you make, that's a bonus, but you're not funded that real money. It's just the fucking demo account, simulated funds, and you're trading these prop firms like a casino. You're treating them like a casino, not an actual funded hedge fund account or nothing like that, or like you're an institutional banker, nothing like that. Just prop firm, just like a casino, and that's it. My stop loss is 50 pips. I'm still okay. Are you lucky? Your fucking stop loss is massive, bro. Let's have a look like this. Look. So where did you enter your trade? If you can give me your price, please. Exotic reptiles. You do you, mate. We will see. Frasbit. Exotic. Right here. Okay, exactly where I put the thing, yeah. Oh my god, bro, what kind of fucking stop loss is that? 50 pips. What are you doing? Swing trading? So is that how big your stop loss is, bro? I made 200 pips on Asia. I use my Asia as my stop loss for us. For US. Okay. Oh, okay. I see what you mean. See what I mean, guys? You got different types and styles of trading. I should have taken this trade, you know. Just this small trade here. I should have taken that. Let me go on to the higher time frames. Let me see what the market's moving like. Thank you very much, Bike Life Ryan. Thank you very much for following. But price is moving like that. Really don't like price moving like that. Never ever actually end up trying to catch a trade when it's moving shit like that. And it's a Lington 1947. Hi, hello, how are you? Are you trading with us today? Are you trading Nasdaq at all? Prasby, understand I have invested as well, but it's slow. And it's sailing to 9:45. Yes, I am just got stopped out of shorts. Yeah, price action's being very, very shitty today. Well, it was very shit yesterday as well. How long you been trading? Is your name Annette? So it's Annette Erlington. I get that. Okay, Annette. Thank you very much for following Simple Nails. Simple Nails, are you trading today? Hi, okay, will help follow. Thank you very much, Simple Nails. Annette Erlington 947. Thank you very much for following. Simple Nails, what are you trading? Yes, Twizzy, what's up? What's up, Twizzy? We missed you this morning, bro. Simple Nails, are you trading Nasdaq? Or are you trading gold, futures, CFDs? Exotic Reptiles, my short's doing well. Yeah, I was live this morning, bro. Simple Nails, I'm a very beginner. I'm focusing only on one. Yeah, best thing to do. Best thing to do. Oh my god, I'm dying. Frasbit, why are you dying? BTC for now. Okay. Frasbit is I think TikTok's actually blocked off Frasbit because I think he was just on my live just laughing at people and joking and doing a bit too much, so I think they've taken him off. Simple Nails, people don't die, we have trades to do. I've placed my first real trade. Yeah, I've just been paper trading. Player one, yes. Best way to do some demo trading at first and get some good education behind you before you start executing in the live markets, because you need some confidence as well. Crypto Talk says good riddance, I guess. Yeah, he was nice, he was trading, but it's too much. Sometimes people don't understand banter, like it can stop annoying other people, and it might, something that might be a joke for you, it may be knocking someone else's confidence. So someone's taken him off. I don't know why. User 33379, thank you very much for following. So yeah, maybe someone reported him or something, maybe, I don't know. Exotic Reptiles, looks like price coming back down again into your area. If price pushed down and broke these lows here, these protected lows, if it broke that area there, then I would start looking for a sell straight away. But price is not even breaking anywhere near, it's just chopping. So I think today might be another day down the pan. And a net Erlington 947, price action is absolutely tomfoolery. Tell me about it. Price action is absolutely shit at the moment. Player one, what is this you're watching? I'm watching Nasdaq at the moment. What pair of currency symbol do you trade? Exotic Reptiles, being dry, man. Tell me about it. This is fucking dry. It's like watching paint dry. No action whatsoever. I was on my workstation now watching on the phones earlier. Exotic Reptiles, you should check out Asia, it's nice. Let's go have a look at the Asia session. This was the trade of the day, and this trade could have been taken two ways. One from pre-London session where price pushed up, breaking structure to the upside, price pushed down into this it actually tapped the order block looking thing, but it was a fair value gap. Price pushed up, breaking structure to the upside, but then that would have been one trade on its own. So if anyone caught that trade there, let me tell you how much money you would have made. You could have put the stop loss just below the lows. So if you don't want to risk that much, you would just want to be risking maybe about $300 on this trade. So just say $320 or whatever, and you rode price up just till here. That would have been $1,200 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 minutes. In 10 minutes. Then price tested that same area again, as you can see here, this same area again, and then after that it just kept fucking pushing up. You would have rode it up to here, and that's looking at about $4,000-5,000. I couldn't even enter that trade there because I'm on a trailing drawdown. So if price goes against me, I get stuck in a trailing drawdown, and that's what fucks me up. Crypto TikTok. Danny, if you want to see a cool chart, Google Bitcoin CVDD. Let me have a look. 1 second. I won't put it on the main chart. I'll have a look at it on my side. Unless you're trying to advertise shit and make me advertise your shit for you, so I won't do it. Alright, Bitcoin CVDD. Bitcoin Magazine Pro. Is that yours, bro? Nope, XD, it's an on-chain model. Okay, Twizzy, I sold 794. You sold at 794. So you sold off literally right at this top. How did you catch that top, bro? How did you know price was going to reverse from there? Because we're literally right at all-time highs. Or was it a calculated trade and risk, or you doing some sort of ICT model where you think, okay, price will tap into that area and reverse? Not quite sure how you caught that trade. Yeah, perfectly gives the bare bottom price each time. Yep. You want this whole area to get mitigated. Just completely push past it. God damn, we've had about 879 eyes on us. See, look, TikTok's again not pushing the live out, because normally we would have had over 2,000 to 3,000 people right now. I might change the music, guys. 1 second. Let's like make it. Yeah, let's get some authentic music in. 1 second. One second, guys. Ryan, just start simple. Yep, that's what you got to do. Just start simple. Allegrate 3 hours each day. JJ spreads sheets. Hmm. All right, let's go. Let's see what's happening in this area. Price doesn't seem to be mitigating this area here. All right, we're nearly pushing to 1,000 now. 1,000 people. That's good. Come on, guys. If you ain't followed, you need to hit the follow button. I know TikTok Live is not pushing it out as usual, but come on, guys. Smash it. Samurai work music on YouTube is fire. Have a look. Yeah, is that music copyright free? Because I have to put copyright free stuff on, because if it's copywritten, it gets flagged and then they take it down. Twizzy, no, I never took a trade today. Price action's been absolutely shit. I did take this trade here. Price came and stopped me out because Trump did a red folder news event. And then to make that money back, I entered a sell down here and just made a quick sell just to make back my money that I put in the stop loss. Good I didn't stay in the trade because it did retrace to this area here, 61.8, and carried on pumping. So yeah, lucky I didn't stay in the trade. But price action is absolutely shit, guys. It's horrific. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot to tell you, because there's 41 of you here right now, 42. 939, wow. Yeah, basically I was going to tell you that we're going to be doing a giveaway next week. We're probably going to be giving away a futures account. So it'll probably be a 50k futures account. Next week, Friday, we'll do a giveaway. So I need to get the spin the wheel stuff, and I need to get everyone's names. So what I'll do tomorrow is I'll announce what we need to do to get everyone entered into the giveaway. And then we'll give a 50k futures prop firm account away, guys. So make sure everybody's following. Hit the follow button right now if you want to be entered into the giveaway. And then tomorrow I'll give you the guys the instructions on exactly how to enter. Crypto talks. I have to go work on the books, but yeah. Good luck with your books, man. Enjoy the live. I'll pop back up. The live's quite quiet today because the charts are really fucking shit. Exotic reptiles. I'm giving this trade 15 minutes. If it still moves ass, I'm off till 2:30 p.m. Yeah, that's right, guys. So if trading is still moving shit, you might get a retracement and a push to the downside. You might. I'm not saying you will, you might. But because price action is so shit, nobody is really trading because the volume is not great. Trump's putting some stupid fucking news events in. And there is a 3 p.m. red folder news event. I think, is it a 3 p.m. red folder news event today? Let me just double check. Oh, no, you got 2:30. No, that was 2:30 a.m. Yeah, 3 p.m. ISM services PMI. 3 p.m. red folder news event. So if you're trading prop firms, guys, make sure you're very careful. If you're on the challenge phase, they usually let you trade the red folder news event. But if you're on a funded account, they'll blow your accounts if you trade within 5 minutes either side. So 5 minutes before, 5 minutes after, and within that news event. And if you're trading personal accounts, your personal money, make sure you're using a stop loss. And don't oversize, over leverage, don't force trades, because you will be stopped out. So yeah, that's at 3 p.m. I wonder how much volume that will bring into the markets, because the way they're moving right now is just fucking absolutely fucking shit. Neil's raging, online coach and top step evals. Yes, top step evals are good. Are you trading top step evals at the moment? I'm on Take Profit Trader at the moment. Thank you very much, Vogs, for following. Regnin, Niels Regnin, are you trading top step? Thank you very much for following, Bogdan. Thank you very much for following. I didn't catch the second one. Risky Money. Thank you very much. Bogdan, I wanted to ask you. Thank you very much for following trading. Thank you very much for following. Bogdan, thank you very much for following Niels Rainer. Thank you very much for following. Guys, I wanted to find out. Are you... No, Bogdan, sorry. Bogdan, that was it. Bogdan, is Bogdan a Romanian name? I worked for a Romanian company a couple of years ago in the UK, but the company moved over to Romania, so I had to leave because they were like, if you want to stay with us, you can move over to Romania. And I was like, what the fuck am I going to do in Romania? My whole life is down here. So yeah, a lot of the guys there, their name was Bogdan. So is Bogdan a Romanian name? Niels Rezhnin, coach, I think you can cause a lot of PPL, full put, or CPI or FOMC on Top Step. Bogdan says yes. See that? Got some geography skills right there with names. Okay, 1 second. I'm just gonna load up topstep.com. Okay, so I'm signed into my account on Topstep. Let's have a look. Your question was, well, my question, what I was saying, and Topstep evals. Let's have a look. So if you open up this page here and you just ask the question, so send a message, can I trade red folder news events on evals? And then it'll just tell you straight away, Bogdan, yes, and you should stayed. It's great to live here. Bogdan, I didn't actually get a chance to go over to Romania, but they offered me my work to be there. But the thing is, I'm born and bred in the UK, so it would have been difficult I can't just move over with the family. Yes, you can trade during red folder news events on your evals. So if you have evals, you can trade red folder news events, guys, on Topstep. And it's pretty much with other futures prop firms as well. Let's have a look when you go funded with Topstep. Can I trade red folder news event on a funded account? Boom. Let's have a look. I'll give you an answer right now. Oh, so Topstep says, yes, you can trade during red folder news events on a funded account. We do not require you to flatten or open trades or orders economic releases in funded accounts, but we strongly recommend caution or avoid trading when the release is coming up that could impact product you are trading. Topstep's changing their rules all the time. Neil says, perfect. Then Niels is going to blow his account and come back to me and say, oh, you bastard, you told us something different. So no, look, here it says on Topstep, look, it says, yes, once you pass the trading combine, you can trade during red folder news events on your Express funded account. So Express funded account, that's once you've passed the Topstep challenge. So yeah, you can. I didn't know that with those guys, you could trade red folder news events. So that's their model then. That's exactly where they make their money. So when we lose on the red folder news events, that's when they make their money. So yeah, it makes sense. Haha, I'm almost stopped now. Break even on my short. Yeah, a lot of people shorted here, but the reason I didn't short here, because I did mention a short while ago, price needs to break below these lows. So break the protected lows, then I have a nice retracement into a good area. So ICT people call that the optimal trade entry. So I would like to go into that area. Naldi Takula, thank you very much for following. Guys, what part of the world are you guys chatting from? What part of the world are you guys from? 87 was the stop. Okay, okay. Yes, you're out. Okay, okay. Never mind. Next time, just put that into your journal, record that trade, screenshot it, put some notes on, put in exactly where you entered, why you entered, and exactly where you got stopped out and the reason for you being stopped out. Naldi Tekula, South Africa. Wow. Naldi Tekula, please share the live with everybody that you know right now so the rest of the South African community can join us. I get a lot of people from Zimbabwe, South Africa, Ghana even. I was getting a lot of people from those areas. But then we've had a lot of people from New York, Virginia, a lot of the US, Florida even. Then I had Canada, I had Toronto, and then we've got Romania here. Many people from the UK. So literally, it's worldwide. We have people from everywhere joining us. By the way, Bogdan was Romanian king. Oh, Romanian king. Is that why a lot of people's name is Bogdan? Because their king was named Bogdan. Etienne, Augustine. Hey Danny, are you open to testing an indicator? Yes, I can test an indicator for you as long as it's not some dodgy stuff that will fuck up my computer. I can test an indicator for you. Bogdan, yes, absolutely. That's brilliant. Give me 5 minutes, guys. Bear with me. One moment. Enjoy the music. Yes, we are back. Etienne Augustine, where can I send it over? What indicator is it? Is it on TradingView? There's a wall on 800. Okay, let's have a look. Okay. I'm just getting annoyed with Etienne Smart Money Concepts. Yeah, but is it on TradingView? Oh no, if you send me a script, I won't be able to do it that way. I won't be able to install the script. Well, I can add it, but I won't be doing that live. It's not something I can do just for the safety of my system and stuff. I can't add scripts on, sorry. See, look at that. So if I did look to even sell here, price is just fucking absolutely shit. Like, why the fuck is price doing this? Don't tell me there's some sort of other news event. Let's have a look. Nah, nothing right now. Of course it's a Pine script. Of course it's a Pine script. Yes, I understand it's a Pine script. Why don't you test it on your trading view yourself? It should work all right. Look at oil. Let's have a look at oil, guys. Let's have a look. Let's see what's happening. It's oil dumping right now. Yeah, look at that. When oil starts to dump, fucking Nasdaq starts pushing up. We can communicate off street if you'd like. I'm not really open to doing adding scripts and stuff and sampling things. I don't really like testing. Previous 1 hour has no bottom wick. Okay. Let's have a look. MNQ. One hour. Yeah. I'm not liking price action. Could have really just tried entering a buy and see what would have happened from actual retracement. Not now, but from a nice retracement area. Sometimes I need to stop looking for the reversal and just take a trade, follow market structure, what I'm supposed to be doing. Scarface, what about US 30? This is what we're on at the moment. We're on Nasdaq at the moment. Oh, the US 30. I'm not on the US 30, you know. I thought you said US 100 foot then. But no, we're on Nasdaq. So the US 30. Let's see if I've got it on. That'll be the Dow Jones, but I've not looked at that. US 30 moves nasty. Yeah, that's why I'm not really looking at it. Talking about moving nasty, Nasdaq is moving fucking just as nasty, man. Nasdaq is moving like a pile of shit. Wow, 38 people live with us right now. Okay, so why can't my fucking entry show up? Why can't my strategy play out right now? To be fair, I should have got in here. To be fair, I should have got in there. But the reason I didn't get in there, because this didn't retrace high enough. But it probably did. Let me have a look. It just ticked it. Just ticked that area. Then price broke structure to the upside. So I could have got in this area here if I really wanted to. I could have taken that trade. Well, I should have taken that trade. But wicked in 799. Bogdan's been wicked in 799. My price is showing that 799 has not been tapped yet. Guys, who's trading Nasdaq right now? Drop a message in the comment section. Come on, let's get this chat going. Just took a short. Okay. Where did you take your short from, Annette Arlington? On TradingView. Okay, I got out 7 minutes ago. Guys, who else is trading right now? We got many of us on here on the chat right now. Start smashing the likes, guys. Or even Wynard, Cohen, me. What are you trading right now, Wynand? Wynand, what are you trading right now? Slug mode. XT Reptile says. Thank you very much for following, Rich. Thank you. And now Erlington, no point me telling you the price because I am trading US 100, not NQ. Oh, okay, okay. Makes sense, makes sense. So you're on the Dow Jones, yeah? YM. Would that be as YM on mine? MYM. No, I'm trading Nasdaq, but it's not futures. NQ. Oh, it's US 100, so numbers are a bit different. Yes, that's right. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay, you're saying. Oh, you said US 100. Okay, that's fine. Because someone else was saying US 30 earlier. So US 30 was the Dow. But you're on US 100. Thank you very much for following. Let's have a look who just followed us. Rich followed us. Shafi followed. Thank you very much, Shafi, for following. Come on, guys. Let's see if we can get some momentum into the markets. Come on, price. You need to start pushing now. We need to figure out what's going on with this price action and start taking fucking entries. Because this is taking the piss now. Guys, look at the fucking 5 minute. Absolutely fucking disgusting. Look at that. This is price action where you should not really trade it unless you've got a bit of experience and you can catch smaller moves. So you're more towards the scalping side rather than the full-on intraday trading. But you're still holding the trade for good 5, 10, 15 minutes. You could still be making like short moves like that much, and then price retrace in the same area and then hold it for that much. So yeah, you could still be making good money. Theodore, what the fuck you do? Theodore, man, I don't know what's happening in the markets right now. They're absolutely fucking shit, brother. Annette Erling, Exotic Reptiles, no, the price data is slightly different, but the charts move exactly same. Okay, yes. That's Annette, like someone was saying, they top ticked around the 800. Thank you very much, Theodore. Thank you very much, brother. Theodore saying, sup, man. Yaz, news in 5 minutes, bro. Sup, day trader. Let's have a look what the news does. So this 1:15. Here you go, guys. The 1:15 p.m. red folder news event. Probably do something. Let's see what it does. And then I'm okay till 3 p.m. But I'm going to be out of the charts by then. So yeah, let's have a look, guys, for the next. So 5 minutes before, 5 minutes after, I can't trade. So for the next, well, from now until until 20 past. So I can't trade until 20 past because of the news event. Sup, day trader. Tom, how are you doing, my brother? Theodore, shit price action. Yes, you're 100% right, Theodore. Proper shit. Tom, why futures? I've just always been on futures now. I moved over from CFDs a while ago. I still like CFDs. I'll still trade CFDs, Forex and the rest of it. But what are you trading? What are you trading, Tom? Let us know. Yaz, this been shit, bro. Yes, I know. Rai, hey again, Danny. Hello, Rai. How you doing? Yaz, you taking anything yet? Nope. I was gonna take this sell here. So, trace back, push down, and then I was waiting for retracement. Retracement around here to sell off again. But Trump decided to do a news event, red folder, a random one, and it pushed the markets up, stopped me out. So I was in a loss. So then I took a trade around about here for a sell because I knew it was retracing at that point. So I took a quick sell and then I just capped on small payments and just made my loss back. And then after that, I didn't take another trade because I wasn't sure, is price going to continue pushing down now, or is it going to respect this area, which it respected, and price kept continuing up. And then you had this area here. I could have entered a quick one, but I didn't. and now you just got a price action that's really fucking shit. So yes, that's been me for today. Theodore made just 600 today. Well done, Theodore. That's a lot of money compared to what a lot of people have made. There's a lot of money compared to what I've made today myself as well. So I've not hit nowhere near 400 today. Let's have a look how much I've made today. After my, because I already got stopped and then I made my loss back with some profit. So I'm up only $286 right now. So I need to be up at least about $1,500, and that would have made me happy. But sometimes you can't choose what the markets give you. You have to take what you're given in these markets, unless you get your A+ setups, and yeah, you'll be happy with that. I'd be very happy with $600. Player one, but Theodore's the big players. You get the Theodores and Leroy's and lol cakes and a few of the other guys. They're the big players. They're copy trading around about 20 accounts each sometimes. They're the big boys. Anybody else here on my live right now that's copy trading up to 20 Apex accounts, or even 5 Alpha Futures accounts, or even 5 Take Profit Trade accounts, or even 5 Tradify accounts? Any of you guys on the level of copy trading at the moment? If so, drop a comment in the comment section. And guys, if you're brand new, just new to the game, you're learning, or you've been trying to learn for a very long time and you just don't know what the fuck is going on in the markets, drop a message and yeah, we'll all just have a nice little conversation. Because trade, I've done this community, I've opened this space up because trading got very, very boring and very, very lonely because you're trading by yourself. So I thought, let's just create a space for everybody. I'll have my Discord up and running soon. In the next couple of days, I'll put it up. Strictly live account, Exotic Reptiles. So you're strictly live with personal account, or you on prop firms? So yeah, now that we got about 50 of us here right now, guys, remember we will be doing a giveaway. So if you ain't already followed, hit the follow button, and tomorrow I'll be giving some instructions because we're going to be doing a 50k prop firm giveaway next week. Thank you very much, JB, for following. Thank you. So everybody just follow. We're going to be doing a giveaway. We're going to be doing it on Spin the Wheel, and we'll do it live next week, Friday. So I want everyone to start joining up this week, and by next week, Friday, I want to do the giveaway. Personal 1 to 500. That's excellent, brother. Are you doing 1 to 500 on IC markets, or is it Black Bull markets? Annette Ellington, I'm printing right now. You sure are, Annette? You are definitely printing right now. I've never traded real money, so I'm just learning. Yes, best to learn, player one. You got to learn it. Exotiques with IC markets. Yeah, bro, love that. Let's have a look what's going on in these fucking markets. Bloody hell. Fuck's sake. Told you 800 is a wall. You need liquidity down. That news event. Yeah. I can't trade till another 3 or 4 minutes right now because of news events. My prop firm won't allow it. They'll blow my account that I've just got funded. So I'm genuinely printing. Yes, Annette Ellington, I genuinely believe you are printing. That's fucking jokes, bro. Top tick this. Remember when I said I just took a short? Yes, I do 100% remember. Doing very well, Annette. Annette in the house. Big round of applause, Annette. Annette's printing money right now. Twizzy's printing as well. He did say 800 as well. Twizzy was like, yes, at the 800 mark, I'm going to be smashing it. What the fuck? I'd like something like that to play out. That would be nice for me. MNQ. Dem, yes, brother. We're on MNQ. What prop firm are you using? I'm using Praj Walma one. Praj. I'll just call you Praj. Sorry, I can't say the full name. I'm on prop firm Take Profit Trader at the moment. And I'm loving Take Profit Trader because you get daily payouts with them. So I'm kind of just loving that shit. 1 minute breaker block. Tweezy, my brother. Are you doing ICT concepts? Tweezy, visionary model. This is all because of the new BRW. I'm not familiar with the term BRW. What would that be, Annette Ellington? Yeah, I'm just waiting for price to push up a bit into my direction. Why short instead of long? I know we're in a bullish uptrend at the moment, but I think we can get a deeper retracement. Only simple fact is, market's been so shitty and chopping around everywhere. And I'm currently just looking. I'm not entering into the trade at the moment. I'm just looking what price is actually doing. No, man. Trying to follow market structure. I think we can go lower, but I just don't know where to catch my entry from. I use some ICT concepts, but I kind of revamped stuff and created my own. Yeah, that always happens. Like when you're trading, when you've been trading for a very long time, like your eye starts picking up things and you start seeing things what you couldn't see before, and then you start adding just that to your strategy and stuff. And sometimes now you don't even have to look at your confluences and stuff. You just see it happen, and then you can take your trade. It gets to a point like that as well. Limit order here, maybe 78675 shorts. Yeah, I was looking around this area, but it's just fucking terrible price action. I like clean price action, so I would have liked it for price to just move up nicely as a retracement on the 1 minute and then take a sell off. But then when price starts chopping around at the bottom and we're already at all-time fucking highs, then it's scary, because then it's almost like you're trading against the trend kind of thing, because price is not moving right. Yeah, take profit trade is good, man. It's good. Just make sure you use their discount codes. The discount code pops up on the page and you get like a no fee. I think it's no fee 30 at the moment to get 30% discount on whatever challenge you're doing, and then there's no activation fee. But remember, you have 5 days consistency So you can't pass within those 5 days, and you can only do 50% consistency throughout all the days for 5 days. And then after that, you're on a trailing drawdown buffer. And then once you've made your buffer, you're on daily payouts. You can take out daily payouts, and it's absolutely fucking brilliant. Yeah, I don't like price when it chops like this. Absolutely fucking hate it. What's the cap on payouts? I don't think there is any cap on payouts. As long as you make your trailing drawdown, it's a 20-80 profit split. I'm going to stop trading because it's just bollocks, and I am up 1% on a 200k. Yes, Annette, stop trading. If that's part of your rule and your game plan, don't trade. I wouldn't recommend TPT for people who struggle with other props. Oh yes, that's right as well. TPT has no cap, but they have a trailing drawdown. So if you struggle, you can try it once. Try it. If you like it, then you might be able to fucking go for it. But this is what I don't like, when price action does shit like this. Like it's telling you it's going to a certain area, but then starts pushing down, and then from here it'll start pushing up, and then you don't really want to be tapped into the trade then, because you're like pissed off. User 5903, you're always selling crypto signals, man. You're gonna have to get blocked. Annette, I am trading an FTMO account. Excellent. We had someone else here earlier. He was trading FTMO account as well, but he's gone now. I don't know what happened to him. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to not fucking enter into a trade here as well, just all because of price action. Raj, I'm not too familiar with the 5-minute orb strategy, but we do the 8 a.m. orb. So we do mark out the 15-minute candle, opening 15-minute candle, and then also the 9:30 a.m. orb on the New York session. Yaz here, my friend Yaz here, he does London session open range breakout, and that works absolutely beautiful for him. Only when price action is absolutely beautiful. All right, gang, you got it. Yeah, man. Definitely gonna get my Discord up this week. Definitely. We've got too many great people here. It'd be nice to just shit, because on there we'll be sharing our... Thank you very much, Osman. Thank you very much for following. We'll be sharing all our success stories. We can share our certificates and just have a nice chat and just share our thoughts on trading. And it'll be a space for different people to meet different people. So if you're from like the same country or the same city, same area, you can even end up meeting each other like that and just creating links like that. I'm not on the DC. How do I get on that, bro? The Discord. I've got the Discord. I'm just getting the links ready, and they'll be up on... I'm gonna try and do it this week, Friday. Would be tough, not gonna lie. So had I had my entry here, this would be going towards take profit. Imagine if I put my stop on my take profit there. That would have tapped me in. Slowly work, because now it's gone too far down. I wouldn't be taking that fucking dickhead trade. Twizzy, I can lend you a 10 trillion. Don't worry, I'm trading the world's economy. Come on, guys. Let's go. Who's trading? Remember, guys, we're going to be doing a 50k giveaway. I'll see how I feel. If it's either a 50k on Alpha Futures or Take Profit Trader. But then I know a lot of you are going to struggle with the trailing drawdown, so I'll probably do an Alpha Futures giveaway. And the beats are all right. So yeah, we're going to be doing an Alpha Futures giveaway next week Friday, so make sure you lot all tuned in. Tomorrow I'll show you guys exactly how you can enter the competition. So you'll have a 50k giveaway next week Friday, but I just want to get as much people as we can for the giveaway, and then we'll do spin the wheel and we'll pick the name out next week Friday. Hope will be Take Profit Trader. Alpha is not okay in Romania. Oh, Alpha Futures is not okay in Romania. Okay, if that's the case, then what we'll do, we'll look at Top Step or something. We'll figure it out. We'll see. They block it. Okay, we'll figure it out. We'll see if we can get a Top Step account and what works in all the countries, and we'll do a giveaway for a 50k challenge next week Friday. Tomorrow I'll be showing you guys how to enter, so make sure you tune in pre-New York session as well tomorrow. I used to trade but stopped, felt like I was losing money all the time. Yeah, crazy. It does happen, man. It does happen. It happened to me for 2 years straight, and then I felt like there was many times where I just wanted to give up, but then something inside me just kept pushing to say, you know what, just keep going. And then now we're here, guys. So remember, everybody, we're going to be doing a giveaway for a 50k challenge. I just need everyone to drop a number 1 or just say yes in the comment section if Top Step works in your country or wherever you're trading from. So if Top Step works in your country or wherever you're trading from, if you just drop a number 1 in the comment section, so I know, so I can do a giveaway for a Top Step account. Come on, we need more people. We need more people. Thank you. So Dem, we had Dem on here earlier. Dem, you said to me, why am I shorting earlier? This is exactly why I was shorting. Dem shared the live. Encourage more viewers to share. Dem, thank you very much for sharing the live. Mate, as if that didn't retest. Did it? Thank you very much for following. Thank you very much for following. Yaz, look, it didn't tap me in to where I wanted, and look where price went. Sometimes we just can't chase, and I have to go back to the drawing board and figure out, do I need to be putting bigger stop losses on, or do I need to? No, I shouldn't, because price usually does come into a deeper retracement. So this would have been part of the game plan, and this would have been profit hit, guys. Trading journey is like the own picture with the digger, soon to get his diamonds but walks back. Yes, 100%. You're there. You're fucking just there, but you turn away and you give up. Lauren, 4,000 on the first people to message me. God did. God did, Lauren, but you're blocked because you're selling signals. I top tick this. Well done, Twizzy. Well done. Tizzy, you just absolutely smashed it with that. To be fair, it could be the calm before the storm. New York, you could pump again. Yeah, it can be. But this would have absolutely smashed Take Profit right now. But it didn't retrace deep enough. So Dem, if you're still with us, Dem, my brother, you asked why I shorted there. This is the exact reason why I shorted in that area. Price didn't quite retrace enough where I wanted it to tap me in, but it damn sure hit Take Profit. Still pushing down, it says Annette. Twizzy, Laura Mason using gold for this. Not good, man. Bogdan, Top Step is okay for Romania. Okay, Bogdan, no problem. We'll do. Guys, there's 50 of you here right now. There was 60 just a moment ago. We are going to be doing a prop firm challenge, when prop firm giveaway next week Friday. We're going to be giving away 150k prop firm challenge. We'll tell you how to enter that competition tomorrow. So even if I can get at least 20 or 30 of you into that competition for spin the wheel, that'll be enough names for that. That'd be absolutely brilliant. It's all free anyway. You don't have to pay no money or do anything ridiculous. All you have to do is just follow and probably just like one of my videos, and that's it, and you'll be entered. I'll comment on one of the videos and like, and then you'll be added onto the competition straight away automatically. Absolute killer that would have been. Absolute fucking killer. If I oversized on that one, I would probably made a lot more than what I was planning on making. Let's have a look if I oversized on it a little bit. Limit, stop loss 485, take profit would just be there, $1,200 that would have been. Let's see if I oversized more. So risking 580 to make 1,600. I would have just stuck to 1,200. That would have been a sweet spot for that trade. Surpass yourself, how are you? Surpass yourself, you came on earlier and you said hello, but I just disconnected for the day earlier on. London session. Tom, how's pre-market ES look? Not financial advice. Pre-market is just, we're currently dumping right now, so we don't know what it's going to do going in. So yeah, look, we're currently just dumping all the way. We won't dump far, I think. Yeah, we're still in bullish trend. Yeah, definitely. We're definitely still in a bullish trend. It would be nice to catch a nice retracement though, wouldn't it? Before price just dumped deeper. Let's have a look what it looks like at the higher time frames. Just want a nice retracement. Might be looking for longs at 36.68. That's this area here. Okay. 36.68. Yeah, we've had a lot of we've had a few rejections from that area previously, so yeah, possibly. But look how shit it is now. Like, for fuck's sake, why did my trade just come into my area and just tap me in? And that would have just been absolutely brilliant for the day. Would have been in and out of the market, done. Thoughts on indicators in general? I don't really like using indicators. The only one that I use is a Fibonacci retracement tool. But thank you very much, Zamzam. Thank you very much for following. But then you get a lot of people that use EMA crossovers, the RSIs, and all the rest of it, and that's their type of trading, isn't it? So I don't really knock anything. So if it works for somebody, it might not work for me. But if something works for me, it might not work for someone else. So I trade like mainly without hardly any indicators, but then some people use indicators for confluence, so they need it. So yeah, it all depends. Indicators are good if you use valuable ones. Yeah, that's right. If you use valuable indicators. I'm kind of pissed off with that market move. I really wanted price to just get to that 61.8. Tell me about it. It's fucking horrible, bro. Yaz. Look at that. It's terrible, man. Especially if you create your own one. Yeah, that's right. Exotic reptiles. It's so good. Means it's gonna be bullish at 2:30 p.m. Yeah, possibly. Zamzam is at the 1 hour fair value gap 668. We will double check and tell you right now. There's no fair value gap at 668. No. Man, if I had stayed in the short, trust me, Exotic Reptiles, you came out too early, brother. I was looking for confluence and it just didn't tap me in. The price just shot off without me, and that's fucking pissed me off. Annette Erlington, I love live today. Annette, is because you joined my live, so you're loving life because your trade just played out and absolutely smashed it. Well done to you. Thank you very much, Zay Moves. Thank you very much for following. Kenneth, thank you very much for following, brother. God damn. Do you reckon we'll get another nice retracement? Something from around here. Yes, 1 hour fib for longs, bro. To be fair, could be the liquid for the next big push up. That's what I'm looking for. Possibly, but now fucking it's gonna be time for me to shoot off soon, and then I gotta pick my son up from school. Have a look. Let me have a look at what price is doing on the higher time frame. So guys, just remember, this is your 4 hour candle right now. Yeah. The 1 hour. Crazy. 30-minute. It's a 15-minute. Absolutely crazy. Drop down to 5-minute. Would like another retracement into this area here. This time I would like a deeper retracement, but I don't really know what price is going to do once it comes into that fucking area. Will we get another sell-off? Martin, would you enter a long here? No, I wouldn't. Not at the moment. I need to see what price action is actually doing. I want to catch something else today. I'm about to get a payout. And Net is just loving life. Love the vibes, brother. 5D full disclosure. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. We like to keep it chilled. Win, lose, draw, just chilled. When using the fib, did you go low to high or high to low? Because right now, because price is going down, I've went from high to low. If price is going up, we go from low to high. Busy fib is a great tool. I use it as well. ST full to go. Depends on the trend. Yes, that's right, Yaz. Thank you very much for following 5D full disclosure. Reiko, I low-key want my New York session to retrace and pump it back up like yesterday. Oh god, oh god. I've just fucking had enough of trading for the past couple of days. Price is just not tapped into any fucking sort of area where I would have liked it to go. Just not worked out for me. So my next point of interest is roughly around about here. Bro, I'm waiting for a retracement to 618 as well. Oh god, Twizzy, Danny, why don't you use VP? Bro, I don't really, every time I'm using the volume profile indicator, it just fucks everything. I don't know how to use it. It just fucks up my trading view. So I know it's in the... So would it be the fixed range volume profile? Okay, yeah, you're saying it's fixed range. So where would you say from the fixed range? Would I go from the high to the low? Exactly where my... If it retraces 760, should I join in for the sell? Damn, look, this is why you were asking me earlier. Why am I taking a sell? This is the reason why I took the sell. But I don't know if sells are going to still work out. I really don't know. I'm just going with the flow right now. Twizzy, is it from the swing high to the swing low, exactly as my fib tool? Dem's laughing his head off. It's going well, way back up. So yeah, you can use it like this. Okay. So just say I'm using it like this right now, from the swing high to the swing low. I've clicked it. So the most volume is in this area. Oh, sorry, you can't see that. So it's showing the most volume is up here. So that's what I was doing earlier, similar to that, but I didn't catch my entry. It left without me because... Let me just show you again. So before, it was like this. So from there to there, it didn't give the volume. But maybe that was on the first leg down, maybe, I don't know. But yeah, fucking price action is so fucking shit. It's like, come on, guy. Come on. We had price imbalance down here. this price should have at least got tested before we had this huge move down. I would have been fucking in profit. I would have took a payout tomorrow morning. Fucking piss me off. You can use it like this, but also from the day open. That's right, yeah. So if we go from the, I'll just go to the 1 hour candles, yeah. From the day open, so from the London session open, and it was an uptrend, would you go from the up to the top of that candle? Told you before, wait, and miss the entry. Right, that's exactly what happens. The thing is, right, I didn't miss the fucking entry. I was sitting at the chart. I had my sell limit on, and I thought if price comes into that area, it'll tap me in and continue pushing down. It just missed my fucking entry and just melted. I think wait until the market open now. Yes, you possibly can. Do you use prop firm or use actual your account money? Dem, I use prop firms, my brother. Prop firms. I lost way too much money in my personal account, which forced me to just use prop firms now all the time. Because with prop firms, you can scale up and you can make money a lot quicker if you know how to use them and you know how to follow the rules and you don't fuck shit up. You can actually make a lot of money with prop firms to fund your own personal account. But right now, I'm not in the right state of mind. My psychology fucks up when it's real money. Losing $2,000, $3,000 on a prop firm, okay, you blow your account on a 50k account. But imagine if you got 50k funded money in your actual personal account, and you start blowing $3,000 a go on your personal account, and fuck with your psychology. So mental state for psychology is not right there for my personal account right now. That's why I'm still trading prop firms. Yeah, I started recently, been using per account dollar, but been lost a little bit to what prop firm you recommend. I recommend many futures or CFDs. What do you trade, futures or CFDs? Are we looking for shorts? Yeah, I was looking for shorts, but I needed a nice retracement. Not sure what it's doing right now. Danny, what prop are you talking about? Daily payment? That's Take Profit Trader, my brother. But first you have to do 5 days consistency. You have to pass the challenge. You can't make more than 50% every day until you've passed the challenge on the 5-day consistency. And then once you've passed, you have to make your trailing drawdown buffer. Trailing drawdown is a bitch, but once you make that buffer, you can take out daily payouts. Dem futures, mostly MNQ. Yeah, you can try. Alpha Futures is good. Take Profit Trade is good. Top Step is good. Tradify is good. Apex is good. There's many futures prop firms out there that are very good. Don't think we're going back to all-time highs today. Possibly, I don't know. Don't know what New York Open is going to do. ISA Khan, future versus CFD, meaning CFDs are Forex. You can trade everything on CFDs really, but just like they add spreads and margin to your trades. Whereas futures, you're just trading futures markets only. So like your Nasdaqs, S&P 500, gold, and all the rest of it. Dow Jones. And when you put on a trade, it doesn't charge you a spread, and it doesn't, so you don't automatically go into drawdown when you enter into a trade, which sometimes happens with CFDs. Well, all the time happens with CFDs. Guys, we got 53 people here live. Make sure you hit the follow button. Make sure you're staying live because we're going to have a giveaway. We're going to do a competition. We're going to do a... Thank you very much for following. We're going to be doing a giveaway next week, Friday, 50k. Thank you very much for following. We're going to be doing a giveaway for a prop firm, 50k prop firm challenge. Next week, Friday, we'll do the giveaway. Tomorrow you'll get the instructions on the giveaway and how we're going to how you enter into the competition, or how you can get your name entered onto the wheel, the spinning wheel. 49 people online, 50 people online. Absolutely killing it, guys. Wow, we've been live for 2 hours already. Literally not caught anything. Can I recommend a CFD broker? Yes, you can do whatever you want, my brother. It is good. Okay. What CFD brokers do you recommend? Bro, do you use higher time frame bias? Yes, always, always, every single day. Every single day. ZXQ, ZWU. Every day. 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute. Find a nice entry on the lower time frame, wait for some confluences, and then boom, we enter the trade. Just like here. This was a fucking motherfucking entry. And no, sorry, this was the motherfucking entry right here. So my short would have looked like this. That was a nice 1-2, almost 4. Let's have a look. We could have pushed it to a 1-2-4. Yeah, easy 1-4, I think. This price going to keep pushing down from here, maybe. But it would have been a 1-4 because my stop loss was tighter. But I would have wanted it above that. Above that order blocky, demand zoney, supply zoney looking thing. So what would it be at? 1-4, exact 1-4 risk to reward ratio. That would have been absolutely beautiful. That would have been my trade. But look. It fucking came into this area here and it didn't tap me in before it continued melting down. Fusion Markets. Okay, Fusion Markets. Are they Romanian? Is that a Romanian company? Absolute horrible fucking shit price action. Cyprus. Okay. Is it an offshore broker? Are they FCA regulated? Is your money safe with them? Reglementated. Are they regulated prop firm? Is it FCA regulated, the prop firm? Not the prop firm, the broker. I'm taking shorts again when we tap last 5-minute FVG. From here. I was thinking more of this area here. Go for it, go for it. You might be able to smash it. So disappointed in that trade. Not prop broker, yeah. I'm so disappointed in how this trade played out. But the thing is, we can't chase, guys. If you miss it, you've missed the entry. Don't chase it. Because if you chase it and I started entering down here, I would have oversized, over leveraged, and probably still would have caught the trade. But Abulel, thank you very much for following. 61 people online, absolutely crazy. What are we looking at now, Tom? I don't know at the moment. I don't know right now. Maybe a deeper retracement. Possibly a deeper retracement. That's what would be nice right now. But the thing is, thank you very much, Dem, thank you very much for following. Spoofy, might as well wait till New York Open. Yes, that's what I'm going to do now. So it's 2 o'clock now, so I'm going to be coming off my live. Been on since pre-New York session. and missed absolutely banger of a trade. To be fair, trading's good when you're making money, but the thing is, if you missed the trade and it just didn't tap you in, it doesn't mean that you've missed the trade and you didn't make the money. It just means that you've got capital left in your account to trade another day for your A+ setup. So don't force trades, don't revenge trades. If you miss it once, it doesn't matter. Keep looking, it might come again in that day, or come back tomorrow. Swipe under VWAP. Look for buys on New York session. Look at higher time frame. Yeah, I'm going to be looking. So guys, I'm going to love you and leave you. Thank you very much for joining, guys. It's been absolutely brilliant with you guys online. One, you make the time go faster because of all the chatting. And two, we get to share our thoughts and other people get to learn as well. So it's absolutely brilliant. Thank you very much, guys. I'll be on again. Thank you very much for following, Kalina. Thank you so much. I'll be on again tomorrow, 8:30 a.m. GMT London session. And then until 10 a.m. London session. Then I'll have a 2-hour break. And then I'll be on again tomorrow at 12 p.m. GMT time, which is 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Hope you catch a profitable trade, bro. Take care. Yes, happy trading. I hope you guys get some wins as well. Make sure you always trade your own game plan. Don't always follow my stuff, because if I'm doing my game plan and my trade's going my way, it might be going in the opposite way for you. So always follow your own game plan. But guys, we can all share our thoughts and always trade together. So yeah, see you tomorrow, 8:30 a.m. GMT. And also remember, we got a competition. We're going to be giving a 50k Top Step account away next week, Friday. Tomorrow, I'll be telling you details on how to enter that trade. How to enter that competition to win a 50k Top Step account. So guys, see you tomorrow, 8:30 a.m. GMT and 12 p.m. New York session. See ya.